Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another video, and yay, we managed to get back to the allotment, the little special place that we grow lots and lots. So it's like a vegetable garden, but it's not our house, it's a plot that we lease and we grow stuff. But because of all our moving, it has become a little bit messy, so we decided to do some tackling there. That was the start of our weekend. Yep, the weeds are taking over, but we have to be proud of how far it's come since we started. We have made it into a nicer plot. Just unfortunately, we've had a lot of warm and wet weather, which encourages all this growth of weeds. If we were able to win awards in anything, it would be growing weeds. But anyway, we are slowly producing. We've had lots of courgettes, strawberries, apples. We've got corn growing, we've got a couple of pumpkins growing, we've had carrots, potatoes, loads of broccolis. The corn should be ready to harvest soon. Yep, so I'll just leave the little clips of our allotment because that was the start of our day. And now it's on to the house clean. Honestly, with 3 children, we both work full time. Even though it's a brand new house, it does get disorganized, dirty, and it does take a lot of our time and energy to keep on top of it and keep it nice. So weekly is, I wish I could do it more often. But weekly we do like to do our little resets, make sure it's tidy. So here I am in the bathroom. Previously I was in our ensuite, giving that all a good scrub down so it's ready for the week ahead. Chaos, keeping those glass screens is just fun and games, but I'm actually quite proud of how well we've kept them. I do mop floors, yep, and here we go. I had to sort socks because kids are back to school. Yep, I've been labelling everything as well in the last couple of days, so that, especially the younger one, they put a jumper down, they put anything down, it can be found. Honestly, it's just a never-ending task, this house. From cleaning, ironing, the little one there, making sure it's hygienic, making sure everything's washed, making sure everyone's got what they need, making sure everyone's sorted, making sure the dishwasher's done so we've got clean dishes. So yeah, I do actually enjoy cleaning. It's just working full time, it does make me quite tired. So trying to do this as well at the weekend is all fun and games, especially with all the pets we have as well. Oh yeah, that's an inflatable chair. We've got some of those for an upcoming event we've got going on. But one of them wanted them in the bedrooms. I've got one in the second lounge downstairs. The rest need to be blown up. So that's the all the bits and pieces. I sorted my daughter's room out. My boys had already sorted their own. Good to keep on top of the stairs because, that's a really high traffic area. As you can see how busy life is. It's so hard cleaning with people around because they're constantly in your way. Not intentionally, but honestly, look, even the dog made an appearance. But it's just like you have to keep stopping to sort of reposition. Sometimes I'd like to just do it without anybody being around. Oh my god, the washing. Yes, there was huge amounts of washing. There's about so many loads. I do try and keep on top of that daily, but it's not always possible because I do leave early if I'm in the office or I'm starting work or I've got a busy week at work. Sometimes it's not possible. So yes, I did decide to put it on the air yesterday evening, and then it went out this morning. That's what I did. As soon as I got up this morning, put it all out, and now it's all dried, ironed and put away. Here we are in the playroom / formal lounge. It's You did a good. Oh gosh, Emily was trying to learn to balance a book on her head. That child never fails to amaze me. The things she sees and wants to try. We do have a box here because it's got bits and pieces. Because, like I said, I've got an upcoming event, so just storing stuff where we can at the moment. I love this mop. Well, kind of love this mop. Try and keep it. It's good for the floors actually, keeping them nice and clean and amazing. So there you go, guys. I'll just leave the clips playing of the bits I did. How's your week going? How's your reset before school? If you've gone back to school, how's your children getting on? I hope they've settled in well. I'm a little bit nervous this week for the return and what it all means and all the bugs, no doubt, that will come home. My kids seem to pick everything up and pass them on. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen this week, but we shall see. Oh gosh, more washing. It's just the way of our lives at the moment, but you know, that's how it is. Better in this house than the last house because we have a bit more space where we can allow it to dry. So this is Sunday. Sorting the dishwasher out this morning. As soon as I got up, had something to eat. Then I put the washing out, sorted all that out. Got more loads on, got them all done. I was very determined this morning. Then did a bit of tidying. Dishwasher first because it hadn't been done last night. So I sorted that. Switched it all around. Tidied this crazy area up. Then decided to do the lounge. My husband's there ironing away. He wanted to do that. That's fine. I'd already done some ironing yesterday, so no, I hadn't. Take that back. But yep, there he is ironing. Normally I do iron on Saturday, but I hadn't this week. That's why that was in my head. But he's happily doing that while I'm cleaning the dining room and the kitchen. It's great having a big house, but all the toilets and extra bits to clean can be a bit of a nightmare. But yeah, anyway guys, if you like this sort of stuff, oh look, Maggie's having a spin around. If you like this sort of content, please remember to like, comment how your day's going, and we'll talk soon. See you later guys.